Hi there, welcome back again to David's tutorial, and today I will show you how to delete all your reposts on TikTok all at once.
Come on, let's go.
If you want to delete all your reposts on your TikTok, then here's how to do it. First, head on your profile, which is on the bottom right corner of your TikTok app. Then press the three line on the upper right and press on settings. Scroll down and head on to report a problem on the system and account. So right there, just let's just search the problem. So I want to delete my repost. Search on that and it will show you two options. Click on the first one. After clicking that is that we don't want to delete our videos, so we will not agree that this problem helped. Let's tap in the no button and then it will redirect you to TikTok support. From there, let's type in kindly that we want to delete all our reposts. So for instance, here's what I typed. Um, Hi, I want to delete all my reposts. So from there, TikTok will handle it from there and it will delete all your posts. Just